Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you're a perfect day. We're gonna reaction today. Jisoo MV teaser 𝓂𝒾𝒶 just released. The all blackpink members will release their comeback this year, like include Rose, but I think Rose will release something. But today, Jisoo guys, if you guys ready, let's go. Oh, what's this phone? Oh my god, it's the phone case. Okay.
It hits me like an earthquake.
What is happening? I was like, okay, guys, again. I think it's like from future. Hey, beautiful. I was going to say. What is evidence?
It hits me like
What is evidence? What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay, I don't like YG, and I don't like Jisoo's like PR team because this is not MV. This is like a shoot. Like, we didn't see anything about this. Like, look, BTS MV teasers really like perfect. Were perfect, and the Jisoo released 𝓂𝒾𝒃 MV teasers, but we don't see anything. And then this is the only MV teaser. They will not release two part. This is the only thing. This is the only part of MV teaser. Okay, just so seems really beautiful, and I'm really excited for a new comeback for Jisoo. But I want to see something. I want to see something in teasers because I'm exhausted to see nothing on MV teasers. All right, guys. Okay, I have a good day. I think this is a release or this is a title. This is a title song, guys. All right. Okay, see you next time. See you next video, guys. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Love you. See you at full video. Bye bye.